Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I will show you how to find your World of Warships replay. I will do this method through Steam, so just follow my steps since it's pretty quick and pretty easy. What you have to do is if you have your game opened up, make sure the game is closed because your replay will not play if your game is already opened. What you have to do next is open up Steam, head to your library, and in your games, find World of Warships. And then what you have to do next is right click and then click on properties. Once you're here in the properties, click on the installed files tab. And here you can click on browse on the installed files. And this will allow you to browse your local files. What you have to do next is find the replays folder, double click it, and here you will find your most recent replays. World of Warships only saves 30 replays, and then once you have found the replay you want to try and watch, all you have to do is double click it, and it will prompt the Steam to launch the game with custom arguments. Click on continue, and your game will open up with the replay. That's how to find World of Warships replays.